Hello, my name is Thomas Richter. I'm CEO and co-founder of Swarm64, and we are the leading innovator in high-performance extensions for Postgres, the popular open source database. Postgres is the fastest trending open source database and the fourth most widely used in the world. We solve Postgres performance limitations, and those typically arise when customers are putting more and more data on their databases, when they are asking more and more complex queries, or when they are putting more and more users simultaneously on it. FPGA acceleration with Swarm64 and Intel programmable accelerator cards is just the simplest way to directly get rid of those problems immediately. We provide users with the easiest way to better database performance and scalability. At the same time, we keep the complexity low, we make scalability easier, we reduce IT costs, and we're actually providing greater user value because they have to wait a shorter amount of time for the answer to their data questions. Traditionally, database administrators will scale up their database by buying a bigger server, adding effectively more CPU cores. Or they will scale out, moving to a network of servers, and thereby adding these cores distributed over many machines. So the answer is always more cores. But Swarm64 advocates a simpler way. We call it scale inside. It's adding those FPGA cards and adding the Swarm64 configuration and our software on top, which effectively is like adding 100 CPU cores to your server. And that means you're getting more performance, using fewer nodes, less complexity, and there's no database migration costs. Toyota in Japan recently evaluated Postgres for a connected car system, which they're building. And you have a range of choices, right? You could go for very expensive commercial solutions like Oracle. But in this case, they looked at Postgres, and they looked at Postgres in the context of Swarm64 acceleration. And they found that we were able to deliver at 70% lower cost. And that would save them 100,000 versus standard Postgres. And if they would consider Oracle, for example, this would save them probably millions, given the project size. So this is just an example on how we can add value to the customers very easily, no migration.